Is there a perfect moment to link your bank account to Venmo, or should you just get it done right away? When I first started using Venmo, I focused on the social aspect, splitting tabs, sending small amounts to friends, and just left the funds in my Venmo balance. It wasn't until I needed to move a larger amount out that I realized linking and verifying the bank account is the single most important early step. Why? Because the best time to link your bank account is before you need to move money out of Venmo in a hurry. Here's my simple breakdown of why, based on my own experience. The linking process takes time. When you link your bank account, you have two options for verification, instant or manual. Instant verification, recommended if your bank supports it. You log in with your online banking credentials through a secure third-party service like Plaid. This method is the fastest and usually verifies your account immediately. If you can do this, the best time is right now. Manual verification, the delay. If you can't use instant verification, you have to use the manual method. This is where Venmo sends two small microdeposits and withdrawals, less than $1, to your bank account. The catch? These microdeposits can take 1 to 3 business days to show up. Until you see those deposits and input the exact amounts back into the Venmo app to confirm, your bank account is unverified and you can't use it for many functions, especially transferring money out. The standard transfer delay. Once the account is verified, you can transfer money out of your Venmo balance to your bank. You have a choice. Standard transfer, free. This transfer is free, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive in your bank account. Weekends and holidays do not count. Instant transfer, fee applied. This transfer will hit your bank account or linked debit card, typically within 30 minutes, but Venmo charges a fee, which is currently 1.75% of the transfer amount. The simple conclusion. You link your bank account so you can eventually get money out for free. If you wait until you have a few $100s in your Venmo balance and suddenly need it for rent or a bill, you will be stuck in one of two situations. Waiting days. If you haven't verified the account, you're waiting 1 to 3 business days for the manual verification deposits, plus another 1 to 3 business days for the free standard transfer to complete. That's up to 6 business days of waiting. Paying a fee. You'll have to pay the 1.75% fee for an instant transfer just to bypass the delay. So, the best time to link your bank account is the moment you set up your Venmo profile. Get the instant or manual verification process over with when you don't have urgent funds locked up. That way, when you need your money, your bank account is ready for a free, standard transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.